Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to read and write CVC words, so let's get started. Materials. I need you guys to grab some paper and a pencil. If you have a dry erase board, get that because we will use it later. And if you have letter cards, also grab those. Ready, set, go! Welcome back, friends. So for your guys' learning target today is you guys are going to be able to read and write CVC words. Are you excited? I know I am. So are you ready? If you have your letter cards, skip this step, but if you don't, like me, I don't have my letter cards either, so we're going to make some. If you don't have paper or a pencil, don't worry because you're still going to be able to follow along with us. So what you're going to do is I have my paper right here. You are going to rip your paper or cut, ripping's easier, into 3 pieces. The pieces do not have to be perfect. So I'm demonstrating. You should be doing it along with me. Once you have your 3 pieces of paper, you are now going to write the letter M on one of them. So here's my M. Put that to the side. You are now going to write the letter P on one of them. Great. And your last letter should be S. And here's my letter S. When you're all done, put your pencil down, even though I won't see you, but that's okay. We'll just get in good habits. Let's move on. Here are the directions. I'm going to name some pictures, and I want you to tell me the first sound you hear in each picture name. Then I want you to hold up the letter that makes that sound. Let's try one. So our first picture is a seal. What is the first sound you hear in seal? Correct. We hear S. Now I want you to hold up out of your 3 cards, what letter makes the S sound? Correct. You should be holding, I don't know if mine's upside down, you should be holding an S. Great work. The next picture, we have a monkey. What is the first sound you hear in the word monkey? Correct. We hear M. What letter makes the M sound, friends? M. Good job. And our last one, we have some basic paper. What sound do you hear in paper? What's that first sound? P. Correct. P says P. Okay, so I'm talking about CVC words, and you guys are probably like, I don't know what that means. What is a CVC word? A CVC word has a consonant, a vowel, and another consonant sound. These words are 3 letters long. Some examples of CVC words include cat, sat, fat, dog, log, sit, fit, and many more. So today I'm going to show you how to blend words sound by sound. Watch me blend this first word. So I'm going to point at each letter and say their sound. So M, we all know says M, at. Now I'm going to blend M and A together. Blending is taking the 2 sounds we hear. So just like this, I'm going to scoop under M, ah, M, ah. And we know T says T. So now I'm going to blend all 3 letters together. M, ah, T. What is that word, friends? Now I'm going to take my icon and I'm going to drag it. This would be your finger if you're doing it on your screen. For next time when we start learning some more, I want you guys to use your finger, okay? You guys can't see when I use my finger on your screen, so that's why I'm using my little icon. So I'm going to drag my finger icon and say mat. So the word is mat, okay? Let's try another one. P, at. I'm going to blend the P and A. P, ah, T. Now I'm going to blend all 3 letters. P, ah, T. Now I'm going to slide my finger. Pat. Now it's your turn. Remember, when I point to the letter, say the sound for that letter. When I scoop my finger under the letters, blend the sounds together. When I sweep my finger right under the word, I want you to say the whole word. So I want you guys to do this with me. Remember, you guys are going to be using your fingers on your computer screen. I'm going to be using my icon because if I use my finger, you guys aren't going to be able to see it. So here we go. Say the first sounds with me. T, ah, p, t, ah, t, ah, p. Let's blend these all together. T, ah, p. Now let's say that word. Tap is the word. Good job. Am. S, am. Let's blend them all. Am. Sam is our word. Now I want you guys to do it on your own. I'm not going to say the word. I'm not going to say the sounds. I'm just going to do the pointing, okay? So you guys need to be saying these words and sounds out loud. So let's get started. I'm just going to be pointing, remember? Good job. Now you guys should be putting the whole word together. Blending the letters. And now we're saying it. That one's a little bit tricky. Now we're going to blend. Now you're going to say it. Good. Saying the whole word. Good. So I want you guys to read the words again with me, okay? We have app as map. Am as Pam. Am as am. That one was tricky. At as at. Sap as sap. Good job, guys. I'm so proud. Okay, so now we're going to learn about Alkin boxes. This is not something that you have to remember the name of, but this is some kind of activity that we're going to be doing a lot of. So I do have my book here to read some information to you guys. So let's get started. I'm going to spell some words, okay? And we're going to use those letters to spell the words. So I want you guys to work with me. I'm going to say a word, and then together we will count how many sounds we hear in the word. The first word is map. So we're just looking and hearing for our sounds, not our letters. So I'm going to do it first. App. How many sounds did we hear in app? Good. We should be hearing 3 sounds. Now I want you guys to hold your fingers up with me and do it again. Just the sound. App. How many sounds did you hear, friends? 3. Great job. Okay, so now I'm going to draw 3 boxes. Each box will stand for a sound in map. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next slide and it will be a little bit better. So here are our 3 boxes. And you're going to have to draw this later, so make sure we're paying attention. What is the first sound we hear in map? So our first sound goes in our first box. What is the second sound we hear? We have ah. What letter goes there? A. Now we have ah. What is the last sound we hear? P. Good. And that will go in our third box. Now this is called our Alkin box. This is what it looks like. Each sound goes in a box. So M makes its own sound, A makes its own sound, and P makes its own sound. Let's try another. Okay. Our word is ah. What letter's coming next in the word sap? Ah, ah. Good, and we have one letter left. What letter goes in this last box? What sound? We have s in one box, ah in another, and p in the last one. Oh, it's T, so it would be t, not P, okay? Now I want you guys to do it on your own. Remember, each sound goes in its separate box, okay? If you have a whiteboard, this is the time to use it. If not, don't panic. I don't either. So now I want you guys to draw your 3 boxes on your paper. It should all be connecting. So I'm going to draw mine so we know what it looks like. Kind of not the best drawing or visual for you guys, but you should have your 3 boxes, okay? You are going to write the sounds of the words I say out loud, okay? Obviously, you're going to run out of room, so flip your paper over or use a different paper, okay? So here we go. Our first word is p, at. Each sound you hear is going in a box. P, at. The word is pat. Does your box look like this? P, at. Good job. Let's do another. The word is sap. Sap. The word is sap. Does your box look like mine? Sap. Great. Okay. So we learned a little bit about our CVC words, how to read them, how to write them. Before we wrap up, I have one last challenge for you guys. After this, I want you to look around your home. I want you to pick out a CVC word that you see around your house. Then I want you to say the word, which is sounding out a word, and then I want you to spell that word out loud to a parent, a guardian, a sibling, or etc. So let's do an example for you. I have a dog at home. How do I spell dog? Well, let's sound it out. D, A, G. I hear 3 sounds. So if I want to use my boxes, if I hear 3 sounds, I'm going to do D, A, G. Now, I did my 3 sounds. How do I spell dog? Right here, you're going to do D-O-G is how you spell dog. So you can either, when you're going around your home, you can either use your boxes, you could just do D-A-G, and know it's spelled D-O-G. Okay, you could do it either way to whoever you're going to share with. Another example could be cat. Okay, cat, dog. Look around your house to see if you have any more CVC words just hanging out, okay? I had a great fun time learning with you guys, and I can't wait to see how much more we learn. Next week we'll be learning about a little more depth into CVC words, and yeah, bye.